Well, it's officially completely pouring, but that does not stop the farmer's market gaze. I'm packed up with everything, including rain supplies for the market. I have done markets in all kinds of weather over the years, including through the winter when it would snow, so this won't be my first rodeo in terms of gross weather markets, but oh well, I'm bundled up to the nines. We should be fine. Should be fine. I just received word on Facebook that the market will proceed as scheduled, which is good for me and good for them. So without any further ado, I think it's time to head out. Brave the storm. Alright, I've made it here to the Coquitlam Street Farmers Market, and for the time being, the rain has stopped. Very nice. I mean, it's very lightly sprinkling. Just hoping it'll hold out, but if it doesn't, I have little covers for the speakers. I have a lot of not so waterproof gear here tonight, but everything that really needs to be covered that doesn't have plastic bags and stuff is well within the tent, so I think it should be fine, barring any sort of torrential downpour. Got my set list ready. Gonna be fun. Usually there's a lot more vendors, but I take it due to the rain, some people stepped out of this one. Okay, I'm gonna do one more set here. Having a blast playing through the rain today.
Anthony works in the grocery store, saving his pennies for someday. Mama, he only left a note by the door. She says, sonny, move out to the country. We're working too hard and give you a heart attack. You ought to know by now. Who needs a house out in Hackensack? Is that all you get with your money? And it seems such a waste of time, if that's what it's all about. Mama, if that's moving up, then I'm moving out. I'm moving out. Whoa, whoa. Woo, woo. Whoa. Sergeant O'Leary is walking the beach. At night he becomes a bartender. He works at Mr. Cacciatore's down on Sullivan Street, across from the medical center. And he's trading in his Chevy for a Cadillac. You ought to know by now. If you can't drive with a broken back, at least you can polish the fenders. And if that's what you had in mind, that's what it's all about. Mama, if that's moving up, then I'm moving out. I'm moving out. Whoa, whoa. Woo, woo. Whoa, whoa. You should never argue with the crazy mama, you ought to know by now. You keep paying Uncle Sam with the overtime. Is that what you do with your money? And if that's what you had in mind, yeah, that's what you're all about. Good luck moving up, because I'm moving out. I'm moving out. Whoa, whoa. Woo, uh-huh. Whoa, whoa. I'm moving now.
And just like that, the market's gone down as quickly as it went up. I should really get my stuff inside. It has not been happy to be out in the rain for several hours. Just to be clear, I had a great time, but yeah, my equipment, not so much. I'm sure it'll all be fine, but I'm gonna have a lot of drying to do. It stayed clear for my first set, but then it got rainy again. Anyway, big thanks to the Coquitlam Street Farmers Market here in Richmond for having me not once but twice this year. It was awesome. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back on their roster again next year. That'd be awesome. And yeah, had a great time. You can check out the description to find a full list of all my upcoming concert dates, as well as links to where you can find my music where it's sold or streamed online. A great place to do that is grahamstrang.bandcamp.com, where you can get either of my albums by donation. Don't have to pay a dime if you don't want, but you can also donate, which is awesome. Always helps me, keeps me going. And then, yeah, like this video if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to this channel if you've been enjoying my videos. And you can even ring that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which should be tomorrow. And it'll be most days for the foreseeable future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you with another fun vlog again tomorrow. See you then.